Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to add beacons link to your TikTok. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So of course what you're going to do firstly is to copy your beacons link, just copy it on your phone, and then when you're done, go back into your TikTok app. So now on your TikTok app, then what you're going to do firstly is to come to your profile right here, and then on your profile, you're going to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be able to get these options right here. So in here, we're just going to click on settings and privacy. So just click on settings and privacy. Now in here, click on account up top. As you can see, click on account. And if you haven't yet gotten a business account, it's very important that you click where it says switch to business account in here. Otherwise, this will not work, just so you know. I'm just going to click on next, next in here, next. I'm going to take, let's take arts and craft just as an example and click on next. Then I'm going to click on skip here, and I'm just going to exit it out, this one right here. But I should have, I think, a business account now. Let's see. I'm just going to go back here, click on the three lines once again. I'm just going to click on account. Oh, perfect. So as you can see, it said switch to personal account. That means that I now have a business account. So when you have a business account, go back into your profile page right here. And as you can see where it says edit profile, click on edit profile in here. And that should take you to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do, you're going to click where it says action buttons. Click on action buttons in here. And you will be able to see four options: email, phone number, address, or app. As you can see, you can add your app link here if you want to, but if it's not an app link, then obviously what you're going to do in here, because you will be able to see a bunch of options in here. One of them, as you can see where it says nonprofit, and just up there it says links. So click on links, then click on add in here, then just paste your link in here. So the link that you copied from Beacons, just paste it in here and then click on save in the top right corner. So that is basically exactly how to do this.